we go. In this guitar video, Terry Carter, Rock Like the Pros, we're going over the Guild Bob Marley A-120. And there's a story behind this guitar. There's a story behind what Guild is doing, so stick around. So here we go, Terry Carter, Rock Like the Pros, Bob Marley, A-120. And do you know anything about Bob's original guitar? This is, by the way, the guitar that Bob, well, not this one, not this exact one, but Guild has replicated Bob Marley's songwriting, the guitar that he used at home, his Guild mahogany that he used for writing all his songs in the 70s when he was down in Jamaica. So phenomenal recreation of it, bunch of bonus stuff that comes with it. Also, Guild is doing some very cool things as well whenever you buy one of these guitars. So I want to go over that. So here we go. If you're interested in one of these, number one store, store.rocklikethepros.com. All right, this thing, actually, the more I play it, the more I like it. It's an amazing guitar, solid Sitka spruce here, mahogany size in back. This is the dreadnought size. Boom, 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 right there. 25, boom, and a half. Why does it keep saying that? 25.5 inches scale length on this thing. This is the dreadnought size. C-shaped neck, so it's got a decent little neck here. I mean, great for strumming, some finger picking as well. And again, this is based off Bob's guitar that he wrote a lot of his songs, his at-home guitar, his Guild mahogany that he used. So absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, I don't know. It's all right here. So they did a great job with it. You get a bunch of bonuses as well with this thing. The one thing I want to point out, and this is very special, so Guild's done a couple of things. I'll show you the bonus here in a second. And also the gig bag made out of recycled nylon. But Guild 1 is planting a tree back in Jamaica for every guitar that's built. They partnered with the One Tree Project. Also, they have donated guitars to the Alpha School, which is in Kingston, because the environment education was really big on Bob's list. So, yeah, let me do a little bit more playing. We'll go over the rest of the specs. I'll show you the goodie pack, and then we'll get out of here. So like I said, great for strumming, finger picking. Of course, the blues as well. All right, comes with 2 strap buttons already. That's why I'm using my strap. I love that. Sometimes only playing these sitting on my leg is hard. Solid mahogany neck. Pau Ferro, by the way. Neck and bridge. Compensated saddle. Bridge pins here, 1 3/4 inch nut lengths. Really cool vintage headstock with the Guild right there on it. Satin finish, by the way. open gear tuners. All right, it comes with the Bob Marley padded gig bag. By the way, this is made out of recycled nylon. And by the way, anytime you can get a gig bag or a case with your guitar, that's definitely a bonus. Now, it also comes with a few added special bonus stuff here as well, including this cool Bob Marley poster. Let me get this out for you. Boom, right there. Bob Marley in front of his house with his original guitar that this one is based off of. You're also going to get this little cool Guild pack here. What's inside there? Got some Bob Marley picks here. Allen wrench, by the way, this is got a truss rod in it. I don't know, just some goodies here, some stickers, some Guild stuff. But it also has this booklet, and this is really cool because this booklet talks about the story, the history of this guitar. It also talks about the One Tree project and how Guild is supplying guitars to that Alpha School I mentioned earlier. So anyway, phenomenal guitar, phenomenal price, especially for the solid stick of spruce and based off Bob Marley. So it's got to have this energy in it. Let me play one more thing for you before we get out of here. Yeah. All right, yes, you can do some traditional reggae on it, which, of course, you would have to if this is the Bob Marley guitar. So, anyway, what do you think? Drop those comments below. Again, these are available at the #1 store, which is store.rocklikethepros.com. Appreciate you being here, subscribing to the channel, leaving a comment, smash that like button, all that stuff. And by the way, if you like anything I'm doing or want to get better at guitar, rocklikethepros.com, that's the place for you. So anyway, here we go. The Guild A-20 Bob Marley guitar. Check it out, store.rocklikethepros.com.